Alright, so you've got your Blender project ready and you need to worry about lighting now. You've got all the modeling done. You've got the shading. Well, actually the shading isn't done. But, you know what? Let me shade that real quick, just so we can have something to work with. Just some color. Why not have a red monkey? Red monkeys are cool. And then we've got the whole background, which is going to stay white. Cool. So we've got that. Then when we pop into rendered mode, everything looks terrible. Now there's a reason for that. It's because we haven't added any lighting yet. I've deleted all the lights that were already in the scene so I can show you guys how to do this. So you go to Add up here, and you go to Light. And there's different types of lights. There's a point light, which is literally, as the name suggests, a point of light. It's inside of this right now. There you go. It's an actual point of light. So that can be used maybe as lighting for, say this is a very odd monkey and it glows. Here, let's move the monkey up a little bit. There we go. So this is a monkey that glows. There we go. It's got some light. So then we'll add another kind of light. Let's see. We'll add sunlight. Cool. Now that really brightens it up. We'll chuck the sun up there. And because sun isn't usually straight ahead, we will bring it off to the side over here. Grab that. There, we've got some nice shadows happening there. There we go. Then we'll add another kind of light that you'll like is area light. So everything usually spawns right in the middle. So maybe bring this back near the camera to give the subject a bit of a face light. By the way, to move the focus of the light, you grab this thing, and instead of trying to make it so that the line hits it, it'll hit wherever you place your mouse. So just place your mouse right on it. Boom. Now, the way you actually work with a light is you select it first of all, and then you go to a little panel right here that says light. And then you work on the power. You can make it a very bright light or a very dark light, depending on what you want to do. So we'll make that bright. We'll make that just a little bit brighter to get some harsher shadows there. Let's see, what else do we want to do? We can make this light underneath him a little bit brighter so that shows up kind of as a pedestal on which he's standing, and we can do lots of fun things with that and get that moved around. And for area light, you can scale that up. It'll make a wider light, a softer light, and then you can scale it down and it'll make kind of a harsher light. But yeah, we'll have that pretty big because that's our key light. Then hop into camera, and that looks a whole lot better. So you can hit F12 and render it now. I'll turn down our rendering time just a little bit so we can see the outcome. Right. And let's see. And we have our lighted scene. Now, obviously, if this is a final render, I'd turn the resolution a lot higher up. But this should give you guys a pretty good idea of how lighting your scene can help. Alright, that's it.